o kan say papa no eko eye bono mamu e o kan say oba eye cashew eye board obete without knowing say about a month earlier na ya dia omampanyi na nado danko akufado eti eye the tree crop development ya cashew ne ada eye crop ina eka ho so obviously na nya dia omampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama all information efa ejumedia omampanyi na nado danko akufado eye on the issue of the 1 million per constituency. GDC minister Eba say last 2 years or the tuja say in 2017 a buying a allocation now siantimi anya utilization no because now feel the development authorities are your must said yes on implementation no now feel our parliament into the real implementation of the 1 million per constituency as shall see in 2018 2019 2020. But me shall say in free year 2020. I mean no say as at last 2-3 months. The development authorities no or do contracts. All the 275 constituencies no to the tune of 5.8 million Ghana cedis, the equivalent of 1 million US dollars. That's for 2020. In 2019. There are buying a data allocation no disbursement ako. In 2018 there allocation disbursement then ako. Enti meaning the fact that Penida da John Dramani Mahama ekan wasem. I don't know because as far as me are concerned, as far as the data available to us concerned no. There every constituency biara no receive project totally. The amount of that amount is 3 million US dollars. But me for a friend Ejura.
Are you saying that for a fact? And
I'm saying that one for
because there seems to be a miscommunication. Yes. I don't know if that is the right way. But the issue is that now behind him say bianca 1 million per ina mokano. Constituency na mokano. Bianca okay yediaba. Dear na Yamoah na onakasa na.
That is exactly what we are doing. You see, look, the 1 million per constituency are buying sika.
Yeah.
A buying sika papa nyame yentimi first sika from Beshawons as a quiet the OPBA. And the ministry no a bright team ministry and the ministry no a form a 10-member committee for every region. Omuko constituency bia ekoye stakeholder consultation omuni members of parliament omuni DCs omuni info Asia ye me no ka say ade ayo that base a document wo de no kwa de to nchen almost every year answer na be allocation no answer na be allocation no na ya de the development authorities no and the stakeholders omu in the constituencies no edi nkomo ehu omu needs. Me no ka say in 2020 me no ekasa ye yenti e ma de no very late kakra because then can say award on somewhere in March and because of the stakeholder engagement also mo ye to get a project constituencies ni ehia and the ma process no check kakra and to make catch say as at last 2 months last 3 months na ya there the development authorities no award contract to every constituency to the tune of 5.8 million Ghana cedis. Me no ka say oba ota for constituency maybe constituency no in 2020 project I mean there's one project 3-unit classroom block Nasser me no ka say contractor no ababa be service site na
do you indicate project na mo sector no initiative say execute no so we 1 million per constituency project
yes
we indicate no
America no say so share per the contract document na oba be project na e was we signage so that's now what you say this is the government of Ghana project the source of funding 1 million per constituency
exactly
mejitum say over the years no contractors be one man they also mo ye no omonye so that's and I agree with you and no one of the challenges are maybe this as a ministry no face because we share the entirety of Ghana but couldn't be the Ministry of Special Development Initiative project I do 1 million per constituency project but I think I do agree with you so that's
so is the former president right to say the program
is not right because as a former no because
the word flop
they hear say the project either say actual with 1 million per constituency and no will not negate the fact say that promise no has been fulfilled. I mean the number of projects in terms of the allocation.
We 2017 and if you more. Yes. Are you telling me for a fact say every constituency be gonna be 3 million
constituency
3 million
I'm telling you
equivalent of one say
yes
there are 3 years which is 50 billion
yes
mami o man for the dollar rate of 5.5 billion 5.5 which 55 billion
yeah
so 3 years every constituency be more than 150 billion 150 billion.
Ebinum kra me say ebinum kra enyabro. Oko eye constituencies e what the northern Ghana 5 northern area regions no. Your constituencies yes we share Tamale South for instance. O quantify project omunya from 2018. E basic 2020 year e bro the 3 million US dollars no. Oko a constituency like Ejura Chechedumasia or quantify project Musha Senyan from 2018 a basic 2020 allocation yeah a bro 3 million US dollars no. Yes, because the OSHA 5.5 the rate 5.8 million. Yes. 15 million Ghana cedis. Projects.
Yes.
You go there, you quantify the project, you look at the contract document. Now your mathematics are. I'm telling you for a fact, say constituency binom enya ebro that allocation and also munyano. And to where your promise are, one of the promise of Mampenny and Nadu Danko Akufo to achieve this particular promise. And to everyone also Mampenny that John Dramani Mahama. Look, Parliament are all that is based on the Ministry of Finance. Sika may release a diama contracted based on the Juma of my Yenarano. It said with the Ministry of Finance. And the ministry in a Sabi you check contractors in the cow. So contractors in your Majuma almost certificate echo the Ministry of Finance. O Mampenny that John Dramani Mahama or source at the Ministry of Finance. And you got third radio so or third television so now can say project on my yenina constituency cry and bro 500,000 US dollars and now Mampenny that John Dramani Mahama no nima sama oka. You see medical can abano papa no lose away. So that's the Nsem bia obeka bia sabi anya no kware bia obeka air frame. So that particular promise Papa Nyameke I'm telling you for a fact say okwa on the ground at the projects are there. They are being executed. Say, Pokrana, they are there. They are awarded the contract now. The contractors will come and complete that. Production. Now I finish do all the projects in Ashanti region. What is up? All projects, every constituency in Ashanti region. 47 constituencies in Ashanti region. Every project to be more executed no every constituency be papa na meba na you say be so ko edra. These are the projects motumi aye under 1 million per constituency. Oba Asante Mamponwa when benefit wo ko obuase oba kumaso ba skwani ade a na hu sam pass. These are the projects under 1 million per constituency na mo kan wasem. These are the project motumi execute. Papa enya dey problem kra. Okay. Me no ka say answer be man no we get that information. Me no ka say wo hwe ya Ashanti region, Eastern region, ne Bono regions na ya dia e share under the Middle Belt Development Authority. Exactly. Omo office ewo a friend say a golden tele pay ya omo leadership. In fact Ashanti region bukra no ya dia your representative a deputy CEO our kind the leadership of the Middle Belt. They have their communication director Abrebia or Ashanti region. So that's here. And this information, make much some offer. You can go there. The information, current information, will be there. And then this year crowd. Let me ask this: are you also telling me, say, a month for no more every constituency beyond where say project ways away, you have benefited from 1 million per constituency? No, I can say. I'm asking all your project are no can say. Be a toilet, be a water, be a bridges, basic infrastructure projects. Project be a here 80 mamufona or the baby who say and who be here say quiet no. A idea you use that allocation equay. It mean no I can say a idea ya mancro for enam. So that's your project now much I say target to be called MSDI. Now you throw a 1 million per constituency a project. Okay. It say no has been a deficit all right now. Okay. But the idea we are taking a corrective measures to ensure say all our projects are labeled in every community.
Nhyira 104.5 number one Akan radio station Moro Kabore on your communication team member Ashanti region at the same time or a PRO Minister of a Special Initiative. And
my feel for pound.
Ose
of my friend
but you can not turn it off at Dean or Dean for almost 12 minutes. Dean shall come off a fefesa of an abocode.
What the cable some say boko now they no Mama may you say and your bocos are you
of a meaning cover more Kabore Casa but baby a sort of before finance minister of the cab before we shall come
Mechia would no move for near
also.
Moro Kabore, I admire him. His level of intelligence and delivery, everything. But it's rather unfortunate.
So no come on.
Make a woman.
Mister can this for.
Why Moro Kabore?
My friends say, you know.
I want woman.
I'm away. I want okay. I want.
How them call down?
Okay, fetch me.
Sadi we ya ne binumukano. Wouldn't say me say me victim if I should put it that way. Oh no, when people what they are going easy. Na ya na di pebi kasa say ni. Na me na me dem ho na me se me wo baby me dia ko baby no no. It's not bra court no bi wo. There is not that here no there.
Mate.
And the MPP. Omo na say my friends say. Freddy Blade. No MPP no go ni ade kro. So na odanya ne ye we na say chairman. So people should get some of these things right.
Matthias.
It is an Moro no I mean he has his right.
Matthias.
So bo ho a da ye wo so. Ade echo de adwuma ana and the bebo no. So I mean what is the problem?
Matthias
Papa.
Over.
Unsema kasa kodai. Abranti, let him put it that way. He's very good. But it's rather unfortunate to say he's in the wrong camp. Campwa. Oh, Utie. Campwa. A year, just say, contaminated with lies.
Contaminated with lies.
Lies. Papable lies and tronco.
Look,
in our scheme of things, when you talk of district, municipal and metropolitan administration, in our scheme of things, you well documented. Take for instance, administration of what? Common funds. Nobody can dictate to you as to what to do with your money. Formula nature say this money is meant for Obuasi municipal, a district municipal.
Exactly.
What you say? So when the money comes, that is where assembly, no, as an autonomous body, no, or this can be first way. Now before the elections, Nana Kufado, sir, and trouble mutra any binio, any beumia, yeah, but ma assembly bia constituency bia $1 million. And I just sanity. Omoka so mbema one constituency bia an ambulance. Ambulance so you physical. Ambulance no buy your home. District constituency. Jabin constituency. Obuasi constituency. Otafo constituency. Yes, I did.
Sanity papa.
Yeah, day na $1 million no dear. And they won't find come assembly no. And now constituency no. Because you told us also would they $1 million Bama constituency bio. One constituency, $1 million. Ah, but we can't. I said, you see, what my U10 oh, Moro Kabore ne kasa no. Also, what the bar? It is not proper. It is not proper. That's not what you said. You made it to understand. Say, yeah, do one enemy. And this is the John Muhammad money. And ya Ghana Basana Ghana Yadin. And people Muba say na be when obesity factories. One can say the existing factories here individuals are no. Obeso must know. Who say one district, one factory.
1 million per constituency.
1 million per constituency. Now look at it.
One village, one dam.
And then it's one village, one dam. No, I had to say what year are from. So them are from. That is so abetem. And no more yet no whole. I say 1 million per constituency. It's just no. Constituency be can boast of what?
$4 million.
$4 million. Me that's our current rate in a say.
If I say 5.8 grandpa,
it will the times here saying
it is almost about 100, almost 200 and something billion.
Moro Kabore, you are a devoted Muslim. The patrol, yeah, Bibia, Bumian, Kai, said your boy, no. Oh, Uda, no Uda, what I what ye, yeah, you soon tantrum. What them throw up habadi to me. Now, won't me know who do ma. As a sound petrol, and no question cost to tantrum one. And no question cost to tantrum one. You take everybody for granted in this country. Obi answer wo obi amonu wan wakika Nsem I want me anya ho aduma mpacho anopa na metie the honorable regional minister won network bi so me ba for mo na anu na meetia said that's the mobile APMs near there when mo asemo me amadamfo honorable say mensa wo ka o per manfo chew sa manfo nya butrem wo mo aduma wo abutrem wo because one was some now wo kan ye no anu wo duma na so ye na fa ya du say nipa no wo cho mo ntro o time was so beto abani para beto mo adwe no afa de o peto so wo po mo chew on nya butre sa nipa no ya waka mo gudam wo kom de wo mo ya nipa hu de wonya no ho no o panto so wo on sa mantra ho na on de kom nkono it will not happen munya na gana fontro mo adwen eti Moro I'm surprised say you are still maintaining your stance say $1 million no more deliver it is not true wo de yemfa one
of unya humbia na
pato me constituency na municipality
yeah
Moro $1 million they say $4 million na according to your formula according to
first year
enu kwaso bi ye bia free mukasa mude afibia mude $1 million na be ma obia
okay
it's say no it is where ya
it's one project
what you tell me and you man $4 million what the ayo wo dweso I mean why na kan obi am wonu mo what you tell me someone you say why away $4 million Moro we are devoted Muslims said the medical can ya yensu ye wo nyankopon kakra nyenke no kore kakra what the true about the akonwa what the true about the to me one here anya ho aduma o emra so said the panic chiro mo adwen enipa no babonte be ka say oh to be no edema wo no why yade afedi what state pechew say enipa no enya butre aduma wo ya butre nim ese say ade a wugina proso wugina bama so kan ye no so be ya enipa no ese so ye you are under obligation you are duty bound because what's our social contract with the people emre na so na enipa no be kire wo mo adua dem no akogina bama so so pachaw dabi be sremo santimane gana fo obian wa so oge sa chopa etum because abuti sa chopa etum na musa to abama na nakufa de na MPP a mo sam death warrant hey oh yes
death warrant of Afrifa Yamoah
hey
mo chopa mo masam death warrant
10 years asantima kwad won fa nyewe on what you be bet me aye no
of you saying say
I'm telling you hey
kwai ni project so kuma say
I want some na honorable regional minister na all kind of network bi so na meeting no just say on performance no e ya bismal obunya rio hey wo de akwan no ya dako papa
offer
but modern now the two car na nam na hwa kwan no mo so mo ye no
me dem chi pa
eya rehosem
ofa wona wonya hu ya
na wo ho si eya
asphalt valley bebe ya koso krum wonya hu bi ofa I'm asking you
papa me busa asphalt valley no
bebe hu ya
asphalt valley no emra ben mo mbe start no kuma si
of hu ya na sem ne bom start
o se me hu ni na papa say wo kra dia na peso bi
no da bi o se wo bi say wo hwe ana me bi say wo say wo so wonya hu kwa hu ya
da bi ba ku mienu bi a asphalt valley
and then ehin fa
contractor for bi ye
ehin fa de
o ko pata so ho a eno wo mo agua ba bi si santaso runabout oh ade no wo ma ye no peace na unim
of broken estate of broken estate na say of amakomuna say of asokona say
tobo
I'm saying be say
asphalt valley wo de e free santaso runabout na ka say contractor wo to so a de ba be si o twam Georgia hotel ho e de be si asokwa interchange Pasa, eye. Georgia ho. Omo bo hwadu ma bi obo. Enye papa.
so kind of
contractor just what you say contractors they are feeling the pinch she can in her at the depends said one more and say oh would you Dominica Kogu Hakakra you say no one more that the Kumasmani Santaman yes sir open votes among for Munted Yepa and Yamoah one more young woman in votes now me makasa sa mutu aba at the man and Kufa MPP the first cut off next year 2021 I will have some because of Ghana
a death warrant straight because she can in the hot she kept the Breben or Dian over 140 billion Obian baby and Kufa do this kind of fact on see hospital when you come papa be Afrifa Valley and when you kwanya ye you should get this two different things say ye kwan no omunye bida aya kwanya da hoda da so tutu kan e kura PWD for na yes edman na utitem na de bibi guso eno nya kwan ye
but say nipa wo ho so benefit
wait a minute
am for more
wait a minute
because fast so who ever say
papa during my time as minister chief executive of Edisono apart from say yede me call this one na ehwa kwan kura ndia esaye nim ba bia ye fa no I established this with the help of there was this establishment of what urban growth department okwasam de osisi ho then ehwa no na chesa afedie ye kasa ya no duru baby ha baby ti say wa ho fumaso ho e ko chirikrum ko taro mu hu bi dawo me gina ria so be the contractor egu ni na come on
so for krapa krum so egu ho nyina
anu ye contractor yan me tire be na me san ye
etu upefa ne for
krapa ho de no ani jabin
mutua ho sika nyina to
you say contract ni kama package be everything
a utua ho sika nyina to ho
akwan ye ntua ho sika nto ho anya kwa bia eya bosia kwa wo ho anya kwaje ho bosia
yes
and ya da ho
ebi wo
the Ghana government ya de wo certificate na kusuo no na chese yayi
Matias
but say no sa di wo di sika no kura de ne enkokora
no way
because obodi of na ku for what this kind of what di
nim shi na man kwamra na
zu kom ne me mama kasa da zu kom ne me
wakasa for
wo ko di sika de di
wakasa for
$140 billion nana ku for cannot account for this now what happen just say for more for nana nana ku for wo bu yesai
I should have 5 Ponko your former DC former MC the just happening the DC for my new info for number 9 to enter your comments